students, today we are going to study algebra in that first lesson, that is sets. Now before starting the lesson, we will see the introduction of the set. Means what a set is actually mean. Now here I am showing a bunch of keys. Now many keys are together, that is the reason we are calling it as a bunch of keys. Same way, there are many books together, that is if many books are kept one upon each other, that is one upon it is, see, you can see that it's a, we can also call it as a bunch of books or piles of book. Okay, same way, if many flowers are together, we call it as bouquet of flowers. Same way, we can say that collection of the objects or group of the objects, it's known as sets. I have written definition here. It is definition of sets. The objects of given collection, then that collection is called set. That is many objects together, we call it as a set. Or we can also say the collection of objects is called sets. So these are the two definitions. It is available in your textbook also, and you can read through. Now there are few examples given in your textbook on page number 1. So first example which is given in your textbook, it is days of a week. Now when we say a week, we know that 7 days makes a week, right? It is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday till Saturday. All those 7 days make a week. That is, in other language we can say group of 7 days, that group is known as a week. So yes, that days of a week is a set. The another example given in your textbook, it is months in a year. Now when we read a year in this statement, we immediately it strikes in our mind that 12 months together makes a year, or we can also say that a group of 12 months together makes a year, right? So example number 2, months in a year, is an example of set. Next question, it is next example given in your textbook, it is brave children in a class. Now brave children in a class, when we read this statement, it does not represent any word, not a single word in this example does not represent any kind of set, or that any word which is representing a collection of object, it does not represent. That's why brave children in a class is not an example of set. The next example in your textbook, it is given first 10 counting numbers. Now again, in this statement, not a single word is representing any kind of collection of object, or not neither it is representing any kind of set, a word which is representing any kind of set. It is not at all representative. So again, the fourth example, it is first 10 counting numbers is not an example of set. Fifth example, if you will see, it is strong forts of Maharashtra. Now strong forts of Maharashtra, in this statement also, not a single word is representing any kind of set, or it is also not representing the collection of an object. So this example, strong forts of Maharashtra, is also not an example of set. The last example, if we will see, planets in our solar system. Now planets in our solar system, we all know that in our solar system there are heavenly bodies, there are satellites, there are stars, there are planets. all these heavenly bodies together makes a solar system. So here in this statement, solar system is representing a collection of the object, that is, it is representing a set. That is the reason planets in our solar system is an example of set. So I hope you have understood the introduction part of the set, so we can study further.